hands in the air, walk backwards towards the sound of my voice.
Hey, Alabamians, got yourself locked up, did you? Who you gonna call with your one phone call? Your mama? Your baby? Your attorney man? All good choices. Consider this. Call Fresh Out Bail Bonds. Yeah, that's right. Jefferson County, Shelby County, St. Clair County. You in Alabama? Call us. It's a smart choice. We help those in need in the Birmingham metropolitan area, including Alabaster, Montevideo, Pelham, Bessemer, Helena, Homeward, Hoover, Mountain Brook, Trussville, Vestavia Hills, and Hueytown, among others. Got a smartphone? With the Fresh Out Bail Bond free app, you can quickly and discreetly send an alert to your lawyers, loved ones, and bail bond agent before you get arrested. Why wait? Download it now. We are here for you 24/7, 365. Fresh Out Bail Bonds. FreshOutBailBonds.com. 205-261-1118. Again, 205-261-1118.